Today we're going to explain the topic of integrals of trigonometric and even powers.
First, the rule for this topic is integration sign cosecant squared u du is equal to negative cotangent u plus c. So the first example is integration sign 8 cosecant squared square root 12x minus 5 divided by square root 12x minus 5 dx. The first thing we're gonna do is change the square root to a power. Since it is a square root with no power, it will just change to power of 1/2, and the denominator, when you put it in the numerator, will change to negative, so it's negative 1/2. And now we're gonna take the u. The u is 12x minus 5 to the power of 1/2. The u prime would be, we will multiply the power and the u prime inside the parentheses to the 1/2 minus 1. So now we will simplify. It will be 6 open parentheses 12x minus 5 close parentheses to the power of negative 1/2.
So now that we have u and du, we're gonna use the formula of integration. This will leave us with integration sign 8 cosecant squared times 12x minus 5 to the negative 1/2 times u to the positive 1/2 times du divided in our du, that is 6 times 12x minus 5 to the power of negative 1/2. So after this, you can see that we have similar variables, so we're gonna eliminate 12x minus 5 to the negative 1/2, and we're left with integration sign of 8 over 6 cosecant squared of u to the 1/2 times du. So now we're gonna use the rule of cosecant to the even power, and we have negative 4 over 3 cotangent of your u, that is 12x minus 5 to the 1/2, that is the same as square root plus c.
Okay, so this is a problem of cosecant to the power of an even number. In this case, it's to the 4th power. So in this case, what we will do is divide the equation into 2 by doing cosecant squared and then another time cosecant squared. So it will look like this. The next thing you have to do is replace cosecant squared for the trigonometric identity, which will be 1 plus cot squared of x, so it will look like this.
The next step we need to do is multiply by distributive property, meaning we will multiply all of these first by 1 and then by cotangent squared of 4x cubed. So we will get 18x squared times of dx, and then that this is the first multiplication, then we will need to add the second one, which will give us 18x squared times cosecant squared of 4x cubed times cotangent squared of 4x cubed times dx. So the next thing we need to do is we need to solve each integral by itself. So we need to get the u and u prime values for each one. For the first
first integration, that u will be 4x cubed, meaning this is your u, and your u prime will be 12x squared. For your second integration, your u will be cotangent of 4x cubed, and your du, which is the same as your u prime, will be 12x squared times cosecant squared of 4x.
And then after you simplify here, you get negative 3 over 2 u squared du. What you have to do here is add 1 to the power and then divide. So you will get negative 3 over 2 u to the 3 over 3, and then you multiply and this cancels out, so you have negative 1/2 u to the 3. Your final answer will be negative 3 over 4 cotangent of 4x to the third power plus 1/2 of your u, which was cotangent 4x to the 3 to the all to the third power plus c. Also, you could rewrite this as negative 3 over 4 cotangent 4x to the third power minus 1/2 of cotangent cube 4x to the third plus c. And this is your final answer. How we got from cosecant squared to cotangent is the rule of antiderivative. So you just put cotangent.